Hey, baby. What you doing? You jumping up and down? Nitro. Hey, what you doing? You jumping up and down? Woohoo! You're like a kangaroo. Hey, you're bouncing up and down. Woohoo! Hey, baby. Hello. Hey, baby. That's fun. Hey, that's fun. You can jump up and down. Hey, woohoo! Jump, baby. Jump. Jump. Hey. He's Irish tap dancing. Hey, baby. Nitro. Hey, baby. Oh, that's fun. Hey. Woohoo. Nitro, wow. You're a big kid now. Hey, baby. Hello. Oh, that's exciting. Hey, that's exciting. Oh. Come on, spin around. Come on. It's so funny, hey. Jolly jumper. That's it. Yeah. Hey. Is that funny, baby? That's fun, hey. Woohoo! Woohoo! He's jumping everywhere. Baby's jumping everywhere. Yahoo! Is that fun, huh? Is it fun? Woohoo!
It's so funny.
Hey, baby Nitro. It's baby Nitro. What's up, Senior Jen? Ako po si Holly. Ito po si Nitro. Say, kita-kits, Lord.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to CERTIFIED Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo, Pabibe, and Pahali.
Basta, kumusta? I always gotta say salamat po every time.
Good morning, Nitro. You wear your sunglasses now. Ready? Wear your sunglasses. Oh yeah! Look at this dude. That's cute, man. What happened? Everything went. Ngayong araw pupunta kami sa beach. Di ba, Shanta? What?
I'm from Woolley State High School.
Pupunta kami sa beach ngayon kasi Australia Day ngayon. Ayan, Australia. So we're packing the car with all this stuff. We're gonna go to the beach, aren't we, Hallie? Yeah.
It's Nitro's first time.
Yes, this will be Nitro's first time sa Dagat, no? He's never seen the waves before.
Wow.
This is gonna be fun. Alright, here we are on the way to Greenmount Beach, mate. I've never been there before. Where is it? Gold Coast?
Near Dagat.
Ah, yeah. Near Cooley. So Dad just had a heart attack last year, like 4 weeks ago, and now he's already driving.
That's right. I have Wi-Fi pacemaker. With the car, we synced up.
You can connect to Dad's pacemaker via Bluetooth, and you can make him play some songs.
Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-pray para kay Dad.
Yes, maraming salamat. Awa ng Diyos. Dwantro Fam, andito na tayo sa Dagat. Dito sa Coolangatta, sa border ng New South Wales at saka Queensland. Ayun, no? Daming tao dito ngayon kasi Australia Day. Australia Day, you know? So yun, nagsiswimming sila. Kami din nagsiswimming. Ito si Auntie Hallie. Hello, Auntie Hallie. And si Baby Nitro. Nagbibihis na.
He's getting tired.
Nagbibihis kasi, magsiswimming na yan. Magsiswimming na, di ba, bebe? You gonna go swimming? Hey, baby. Yes, you are.
Through the armhole.
Baby's gonna go swimming.
Through the armhole. Through the armhole.
You're not sure what's going on. Hey, baby.
Through the armhole.
Nasaan tayo ngayon, baby?
Through the armhole.
That's it. Baby Nitro.
Go.
Baby Nitro. Wow. Ready for swimming.
I know, right? Put him in the sand. So much effort.
Let's put him in the sand. Okay, Nitro. Wow. What's going on, baby, huh? What's going on? What's that? What's that? Oh, that feel good. That feel
Is
cool.
this his first time in the sand?
Yeah, this is his first time at the beach. Yep. Wow, what's that? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, it's not for eating.
Nyla's had about half a ton.
Oh no. Nyla eats the sand. Baby Nitro, you don't eat the sand. No, you don't eat the sand. You don't eat the sand, baby.
If everyone drinks water,
Anyone bring it out here?
Oh, no, 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 no. Don't eat the sand. It's yucky. It's yucky.
look at Nyla. Go zoom in
Nyla
Nyla.
cracked sand the other day.
Oh,
Go Nyla. Boom. Sand queen.
Nyla is the
She eats it by the handful,
sand
too.
dune queen. No, baby, no, no, no. Don't eat that sand. No, no, no. You just play with it. You play with it. Don't eat the sand. What's up, Tang? No. I didn't bring my phone, man. Spion, I could have got some Pokemon. Auntie Brooke! Shut down.
Going for a big kid swim.
Oh, no way.
Yep, keen as, man. But I've got to take care of my son. Hey, baby. Make sure you don't eat any sand. No. Buhangin is not for eating, baby. No buhangin for you. No, baby.
To your knees and they start crying.
Oh, it's Nitro and Nyla. Yes, your cousin Nyla. Hey. It's your cousin Nyla.
Drink water, Nitro.
It's a rocking chair.
Hi, Brooke. At the beach, that's not going to work.
Yeah, this is his first time. First time on the sand. Hey, baby.
Minom siya ng tubig.
You look comfy there.
Nyla, hello, baby.
Minom siya ng tubig para hindi siya ma-dehydrated.
Yes, totoo. Di ba, mga Shanta? Yes, baby. Okay, Dwantro Fam, swimming na kami ni Nitro. Hey, bebe. Yes, kasi natatakot si Mami sa mga alon. No? Alright, let's go. Ang init dito sa Australia. As in. Grabe. Woo! May sunscreen na si Nitro.
Ako wala.
May sunscreen, may sun shirt, sun hat. Hey, para he's protected sa araw. Okay, daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Baby Nitro. Who are all these people? What's this place? Huh? Tubig yan. It's like a big bath time. It's like a malaking bathtub, baby. Yes. Ready? Are you ready? Well, it's a bit cold, isn't it? Hey, we might sit him on the shore first, eh?
Yeah.
Sit him down here.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to sit down with Daddy? Sit down with Daddy here. Ready?
Nitro! Ay! Oh yeah, it's so nice! Woohoo! Woohoo! His face is so funny. Woo! Woohoo! It's coming! The wave's gonna get you! The wave's gonna get you!
Wait, Mistas. Yeah. Mistas. Uh-oh. Oh, another wave. Woo! You like it, baby? Huh? You like it? Alright, you ready, Nitro? I'm gonna sit in the sand. Ready? Yeah, sit in the sand. Okay. Ready? Oh, that's better. That's better? Yeah, better, baby? Oh, yeah.
My go to his face!
Oh, is that fun? Is that fun? Huh? That was fun, hey? kumain. Ang bilis niya.
Parang si Naila May.
Oo nga eh.
Kumakain ng
Parang
madami.
niya, laging kumakain ng buhangin. You like that one? Hey, you like that one? This is Nitro's first time with sand and waves and the beach. First time at the beach. The wave got ya, the wave got ya. Yeah, the wave got ya, didn't he? Yeah.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Nitro! Hey Phoebe, you're back in the sand again.
Ma'am,
Oh, you're being
look at this
buried.
big toe.
Inlulubong ka na. Ano, what's lubong in Tagalog, son?
What is it in English?
It's like bury,
Oh, like, depends on what context.
living.
Oh, yeah.
Is it living? It is living. Living ano?
Living is like dead, though. Yeah,
Living mo na si Nitro.
living
Ha?
is dead.
Ano?
Yung yaya mo, yun na.
Wow.
Yaya ka daw. Nitro, ibaon na, ibaon na, baon na ang bebe, baon na, baon na ang bebe, yes, ibaon na, hey, ibabaon ka na namin, bebe, yes, oh, nope, don't eat it, don't eat it or we will have to living you. Baby Nitro, what are you doing, huh?
Is it yours?
What you doing, boy? You want
Are you
this
gonna
one, don't
bury
you?
stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Aren't you hungry?
Oh, we're gonna living the baby. Baon the baby. Baon na. Baon the baby. Baon na. Baon na. Baon na. Baon na. Yes, baon na. No, don't put the stick in your mouth. Oh, the baby. Where's your legs, Nitro? Where's your legs, huh? Where's your legs? Nitro, where's your legs?
Nitro, look!
Nitro, where's your legs, boy? Hey? Huh? Oh, he's buried in the sand.
So just build me a sand castle.
Okay.
Don't eat the sand, boy.
I don't know the words,
Oh, you put the ball in there.
know that.
Put the ball in there.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.
Yes.
Please don't take my
Alright,
sunshine
bedtime,
away.
eh? 6 steadfast. Yeah.
Hi! They only like me because I'm singing to you.
Hold on, darling.
Yeah, that's it. Yes!
Where's your drink?
Wala ng singer.
Binaon namin si Nitro. Ngayon, ibaon na namin si Romeo, yung pinsan niya. Eto.
I think Luca wants in too.
Oh, not yet, Romeo.
Oh, you don't?
Not deep enough yet, Bernie.
Nitro, di ka... Oh.
Just making it worse.
Nitro, di ka na... Oh. Nitro, di ka na makagalaw, bebe. Oh, he's yawning. He's sleepy.
You're gonna go to sleep in the
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Romeo wants to help.
Go to sleep.
Okay, Romeo, jump in.
From Nitro.
Romeo, jump in.
He wants to... He
Ready?
can...
That's it. Step in the hole, and you face
Turn around.
Grandpa. Look at Grandpa. Yeah, that's it.
Face up,
Sit
face
down,
up.
sit down like that. You'll be very
Your legs gone.
Oh, what happened to your legs, Romeo? Oh, you climbed out of the hole.
You want
Luca
Luca?
wants it too.
Huh?
Luca wants one to get in.
Oh, Luca, you want to get in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you don't need it to make it that deep.
He'll probably stay there.
Right, Luca, jump in.
Go,
Jump in the
go,
hole.
go.
Come on.
Go.
Come on, Luca. Come on. Come on, this way. This way. This way. This way, that's it. Jump in the hole, ready? Jump in the hole, that's it. You sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit legs up.
For your
Sit.
hat.
Sit down like that. There we go. Woohoo! Woo!
Yay!
Hi,
you're
Luca.
buried now.
Hi, Luca. Oh, he likes it.
Oh. Oh.
Woohoo! Do you see the mirror?
Cute.
He doesn't like it anymore. Oh, Nitro just... I don't
Nitro's just chilling.
don't
Yeah,
say.
Luca's communication makes different sounds.
I don't think Luca likes it anymore.
You don't like it anymore, do you, Luca? Go on, stand up.
Yeah.
You stand up. Stand up, ready? Woo! There you go. See? Wasn't that hard, was it?
Uy,
Oh.
in love si Nitro sa'yo. Tingin siya ng tingin.
Ready? You want to get out too, Nitro? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, now Romeo wants
fun?
back in.
Now Romeo wants to get in again. What?
You want in or you want out? To make up your mind, Marty.
That's it, boy. That's it. You can do it. Climb out
Play
the
with
hole.
this,
Come
not
on,
with
quick.
the
You can
sticks.
do it.
Like a movie.
You can do it. Come on.
Back to the Future.
Hey Nitro, is that fun? Was that fun? Parang na-trauma ka. Was that fun, baby? You're tired na ano? Sleep na ang bebe. Ano? Yes. Tingnan nyo, mga pinsan mo, naglalaro. Naglalaro mga pinsan mo. Ha?
My parent.
I don't think so. Maybe a little bit. Ikaw, Sean, nasunog ka ba?
Marati akong sunog.
Wow. Brooke! What was that, Uncle Nathaniel?
Oh, good job.
Oh, wow, very good. Oh,
You got it.
yeah, Uncle Nathaniel, backflip.
Grab the ball, Luca. Watch out. Watch out.
Whoa!
You show me yours. Good job.
Very good, Mason.
Good, mate.
Okay, Dwantro Fam, andito na kami sa bahay ulit. Grabe, nasusunog ako. As in, nasunog talaga balat ko. Kulang-kula na ako. Tingnan nyo. Nag-sunscreen ako. Pero kahit naka-sunscreen ako, nasunog pa rin. Grabe, no? Ito na po ang katapusan ng vlog natin for today. So, shoutout ko po yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Ito sila. Regina, Cieli's Art Shop. Welcome to the Golden Dwantro Fam. Merly King's Vlog. Cheryl Suarez Buo. Conchita Docor, Jolie Inocencio, Da Ramis, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, Joanna Eveliana, Shane Ransborg, John Seed, Rosel Ruiz Novke, the Europino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Romeli Banya's Vlog, the Aussie and his wife, Dale Garvey, the Ramsey family, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Haley and Ashley Sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Von Stien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Actividad. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At ito po ang mga certified Dwantro Fam natin. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. And kita po sa sunod na video ng Dwantro. Bye for now. let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila, and what I have for you is forever.